श्रीराम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में। मैं दीपक अरोड़ा आपके साथ डिस्कस रहा हूँ क्लास 10 के टॉपिक हमारा जो चल रहा है लीनियर इक्वेशन ऑफ टू वेरिएबल, उसमें एक्सरसाइज 4.2 डिस्कस कर रहे हैं टुडे। एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी x is greater than and equal is 2 and second question will be x minus 2y is less than and equal 0 and third 2x plus 3y is less than and equal to 6. Now consider the first question will be is it x is greater than and equal to. Now the equation have two parts. The first part will be x equal to and second part is x is greater than 2. We have ready for curve for this x is equal to. So first of all we have draw the curve for x equal to. The right axis is x and left one is x dash and upside of from origin is y positive and downside of origin is x dash y dash negative value. We have line of x equal to and x equal to line is 1 and 2 is that line x equal to is the curve is complete of x equal to. Now we have checked the area is value of area is x greater than 2. Now we have considered the area of x equal to is value of x and where x is greater than 2 the area will be defined as in right of line because all value of x in that area are also greater than 2 is the final answer. Is that area is all for x equal to and greater than 2 is that area. Now second question will be x minus 2y is less than and equal to. First of all we have break the equation in two part. The first will be x minus 2y is equal 0 and second value is x minus 2y is less than 0. First of all we have made a curve, made a line from first part x minus 2y is equal 0. So we have solution of graphical method. Last time we assume the value of y and again x equal to y. Now let first value y is equal 0 then x equal also 0 and second value y is equal to 1 then x equal 2.1 is x equal 2 and third one is let y is equal 2 then x equal 2.2 then x equal 4. Now we have a table for x and y is 0 and 0 then 1 and 2 and 2 and 4 is the table for x and y. Now we have discuss of curve for the line is x minus 2y is less than and equal 0. So first of all we have break in two parts of equation x minus 2y is equal 0 and second will be x minus 2y is less than 0. First of all we have made a line from x minus 2y then minus sign is transferred by 2y is equal sign then y let assume the y is 0 then x 0 y 1 and x 2 y 2 and x is 4. Now we have made a table for line x and y values. Now we have shown the value x value y and x dash and y dash. First of all we point as denote 0 0. We know also very well is 0 0 called a origin point and second value is y is equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Y is equal to 1 and x equal to this point will be here and second value is x y is equal to 2 then x is equal to 4 is that one. Now we have passed the equation is that line. Now we have checked the area for x minus 2y is less than 0. We have take any point in quadrant first, second, third, fourth. We have take any point for this. Let we assume the first point will be is 1, 0. We have picked for area at point P, at point P 1, 0. The x minus 2y is less than 0. Put the value of 1, 0 in equation. Then value will be 1 minus 2 dot 0 is less than 0. Then value have find 1 minus 0 is less than 0. Then final answer will be 1 is less than 0 is maybe 2. 1 less than 0 is maybe value 2. No, is that false? Then the area for line is not for toward P. Is that area for opposite value of P, opposite value of point P. Now we have another question of question number third, part third is 2x plus 3y is less than and equals here. First of all, again we have break in two equation. 2x plus 3y is equal 6 and second value 2x plus 3y is less than 6. Now first of all we have made a line from 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Let assume again y is equal to 0. Then 2x plus 3 dot 0 is equal to 6. Then 2x is equal 6. Then x value will be 6 by 2 is 3. And second value, let y is equal to 2. Then 2x plus 3 dot 2 is equal to 6. Then 2x plus 6 is equal to 6. By transfer of 6, 2x value is 0. Then x value is also 0. We have a table for x and y. Is that when y 0, then x 3, and second value when y 2, then x value is 0. We have made a line from 2 points. Again, in graphical method, we know the origin point is called 0, 0, and x right side is x-axis, upside is y positive, and left side x negative, and downside to origin is y dash is also negative value. Again, when y0 and x value 3, when y0 x value 3, the point is 3, 0 is situated on x-axis. First, third is the point 3, 0, and second value is when x0 y2 is situated on the point of y-axis is 1 and 2 is 0, 2. Now we have joined the point of A and B. Now we have joined the point of A and B and pass the line or increase the line in both sides. Now we have checked the area for toward to origin, opposite to origin. So we have take a point of any quadrant or any axis of x-axis right, x-axis left, y-axis upside and downside. We have take any point for this flat. Now we have discussed the origin point. Is it good? Origin point, because origin point is value of x and y is 0, 0. Is a easy point for put value in equation is 2x plus 3y is less than 0. Put value on origin 2 dot 0 and plus 3 dot 0 is less than 6, and 0 plus 0 is less than 6, and 0 is less than 6. Is that right? Now 0 is always less than 6 is a right value for this. 6 always is greater than, then area is considered toward to origin, so that area will be that all sided. Now the question number second will be, is mod of x is less than and equal 3. First of all, we have break in two part because that equation have modulus. So is mod of x is less than 3. First of all, write the same value, is x is less than and 3. Second time we have negative sign of, and second value is x is greater than and equal minus 3, or we have right of mod of x is also x is greater than and equal minus 3 and less than and equal 3. We have also write that type of mod of x. Then similar we have break in x is less than and 3 and x is greater than and minus 3. So the mod of x in part in two equation have break in two part is x is less than and 3 and x greater than is equal minus 3. Again we have method for this, is that equation also break into part. First of all, x equal 3 and second value is x is less than 3, and also we have break into part. First of all, it's x equal minus 3 and second value is x is greater than of minus 3. Now we have made a line from x equal 3 and second line made from x equal minus 3. Is that in the curve is x axis, is y axis, is this x dash, and last one is y dash. First of all, we have draw the x equal 3 line, 1, 2, and third line will be is that 3, 0 is the point, is x will be line is 3, and similar we have line of x equal minus 3 is that 1, 2, and last value 4, x equal minus 3. The line will be x equal minus 3. Now when x is less than 3, x is less than 3, the side of toward to origin, and second value if x is greater than to minus 3 is when x is greater than to minus 3 is the value on right side or toward to origin. Is that area, all our area for modulus x is less than 3, is that all area are shadow for x mod of x is less than and 3. Now part second will be 3x minus 2y is less than x plus y minus 8. We have seen the 3x in left side and x right side, minus 2y right left side and y right side positive y. Then adding both side of minus x. हम इक्वेशन में दोनों साइड माइनस एक्स ऐड करें, एडिंग ऑफ इक्वेशन एडिंग both side of minus x, then 3x minus 2y add of minus x and less than and equal x plus y is minus 8 and plus minus x. Plus x minus x will be cancelled, then value is 2x minus 2y is less than and y minus 8. Now again, now we add in minus y in both sides. So my equation will be 2x minus 2y adding minus y less than y minus 8 and plus minus y. Then value will be 2x minus 3y is less than positive y, negative y will be cancelled, is minus 8. The equation have type of question first. We have discussed already 2x plus y plus 3y is equal to 6, and another question we can solve the equation value of 2x minus 3y is less than or equal to minus 8. Do the question for your homework, and also you read carefully of example of 4.2. And thanks a lot for watching my video. Thanks a lot.